Pulling up now, you want drama. Mama collar, shooting back for your cowards. Dropping nukes when they see us and they holler. Fear crippin' on you, pulling the phantom. Taking over like you racing the phantom. I don't wanna hesitate when I'm at him. Pulling RPG 16, dropping verses like I put a 16 for the...
سڵاو ڕام بەخێ بێنەوە ڤیدیۆیەکی تر ئەمە یاری سنایپەر گۆست واریەرە کانتراکتی دوو بەشی دووی یارەکەیە یارەکەمە کردمان ئۆکەی سۆ ئێستا باستان بۆ کەم چی ڕوویدا ئەبڕاتە ناوە ئێستا پێتانڵم چی ڕوویدا
For the past 20 years, it is being controlled by two people.
President Omar al-Bashir and his wife. Their regime is both cruel and brutal, but we saw no reason to interfere. Till now, we have actionable intel that Omar is planning an offensive against a neighboring state. A war here is unacceptable. It will disrupt the whole region, inflating global oil prices. The conflict was triggered by the assassination of President al-Bashir. His wife has taken power, but her grip is weak. Some within her government resent both her gender and Western education. However, she's supported by a close network of warlords. They provide troops and weaponry to Rashida, reinforcing her control and preventing open revolt. The regime is financed by the hacker and crypto-anarchist Lars Hellstrom. Wanted by multiple agencies, he threatens governments, rigs elections, and holds corporations to ransom. Together, they are the masterminds behind this offensive. We need you to shut them all down. We also have a friendly in country, Taj Tahir, a journalist and the son of one of Rashida's few political opponents. He disappeared after being arrested on espionage charges. Find him. Kumar's terrain is both arid and mountainous, so getting close to a target may not be possible. We know you're a long shot specialist, so this shouldn't be a problem. Your new gear should help, especially the prototype visor. It has an enhanced battlefield display and a direct comms link to me. Rashida and her allies cannot be allowed to ignite the region. Her war must be stopped. I'll be in touch. Yeah. جەماعەت ئەمە یاری سنایپەر گۆستواریەرە و با بەشی یەکەمی بکەین کانتراکتی یەکەم ئەەکەین و تەواو ئەبێ بە پارت ئیتر هەموو کار کانتراکتی و یەک پارت دەبێتن لە ڤیدیۆکان بە بڕۆینەوە بە شاپشوتە یاری پێەکەین ئەوە خراب نییە وە باشش نییە ڕێڤنیان ێقل بانگمانەکە یاریەکان ناوی خۆمانی تێ زەمیمە ئەڵێ خۆم دروستم کردەوە
You'll be able to scan terrain as well as tag and track hostiles. We've also given you some extra tools. We'd prefer it if you didn't break them. I'll run through their features on our live fire range. Once you're happy, we can move on to the mission itself.
Approaching the LC! You can disembark! Taking off!
We need to calibrate the mask's display to your biometrics. There's a training rifle ahead by the OP. Pick it up and let's begin.
Roger that, Control.
Okay. یارێکی زۆر خۆشە بەجددی پارتی یەکەم کرد بەس پارتی دوم قەت نەکردووە دانێکیان ڕیمەستەر کردەوە ئەکە ئاوینە کنترۆل ئاوی ناکاتە زۆر میلیمە ئەتوانین
Switch on your binocular display to enable hostile tags.
پارتی یەکەم ڕیکۆرد کرد بەرنامەیەکم دروست کردووە بەرنامەیەکم دروست کردووە هەموو شەکان ڕێک ئۆتۆماتیک خۆی بکە بە کوردی ئۆکەی قسانە ئەیکەی ئەمووی بکاتەوە کوردی بەڵام چیم کرد بەرنامەکەشی نەکرد تقریبا 12 ساعت خەریکی بووم بەرنامەکە یعنی ئەم شۆ خەریکی بووم بەجددیمە حچیم کرد هین نەبوو ئینشاءڵڵە لە داهاتوو ئەو بەرنامە هینەکەم و ئیشی پێەکەم و ئیتر خۆی ئۆتۆماتیک خۆی یەکسەر بۆتانێکا بە کوردی یاکو ئینتر
Focus on your breathing. Splash this top. Hit. Go for the next one. Next target, you're 12, 300 meters. Good. Raven, find your next target. Adjusting your scope to target's range will improve accuracy. I've marked the distance for you. Set your scope elevation to 400. By calibrating your scope properly, you won't have to manually adjust your aim up or down to compensate for the distance and bullet drop. Good. Splash 4 more now. There's plenty of ammo. Restock or reload when you need it. I know you're a marksman, but use your binoculars to tag hostiles before taking the shot. It'll give you distance to target to zero your scope. Excellent. First target down.
باش کردای دست داد بس دستا با آوینه لیکم آوینه
2 more to go.
تو باشا آوینه
More to go.
Oh. هي باش ديال يا الرقيلة منها داوي لبرناكم زمان
Your scope is zero now. We can move on to the next stage of familiarization.
زمان تقريبا تقول له بتاعه مداوم زور
Move
تريش
through the door to the next area. We have some additional kit to familiarize yourself with. First up, Falcon drone. Pick it up. Select it from your inventory.
Okay.
Now launch it.
The Falcon can see when you can't. There are 2 enemies behind that metal wall ahead. Locate and tag them with the drone. It has a limited battery life, but will recharge when holstered.
Call it back. The drone can hack CCTV boxes. We're looking into possible upgrades later. There's a CCTV access point in the building below. Send the drone in and hack it.
حقيقة زور شاي اوكي شلون برات فارو سي
That interference is caused by a jamming
tower. You're likely to encounter more of them during your missions. They're heavily armored, so don't try to destroy them. Just keep the drone out of their jamming range. Your mask's hood will indicate when you're close to one. Thankfully, their heavy armor does limit signal range. Use the drone to
find an alternate route to the CCTV box.
شي زور زحمتها هي فريني اوكي ليه اوكي حقيقة
Hacking one access point gives you control of all the cameras connected to it. It also prevents them detecting your presence. Any hostiles you spot on camera will be tagged in your hood too. That's handy. You're up to speed on the drone now. There's another piece
of kit on the table. Have a look.
Machine gun.
These auto turrets sync with your hood. You still need to mark hostiles for the turret manually, but it can then fire at your command.
Okay.
Once placed, you set it up via your mask's binocular mode. Focus on the hostiles you tag with the drone. Then you need to mark them for your turret. Remember, turret marking is separate from your binocular tagging. Exit binocular mode and command the turret to fire. Once marked, you can execute the fire command anytime.
هنا توين بيكين جامل علم ديدا أو يشغل ديدا جانوا
You're done with gear familiarization. One thing I should mention, you can use a turret's inbuilt camera for overwatch, or use it to execute simultaneous shots, if needs be. Also, the turrets are under constant development. We may be able to upgrade them later. That's all the new gear covered. We have a spot set up to test special ammo too. Or you can head straight out. There's a truck waiting in the back.
اما وش انا بو اكزيستي ليكي تا اما توتوريال كيبو تاير توتوريال تاير ايش ما نكردوا كنا ماشي لود اوت اوكي اما سلاح كمان اكس يا كاين سري زۆر شاکە ریجن ئێرە ستارت کانتراکت شارپ شوتە زۆر این دیاری پێ ناگەین زۆر زەحمەت دیاری پێ ناگەین زۆر کەمیش نابێت
Special Forces operator. During the Iraq War, he hit a target over 2 miles away. Today's mission won't need you to hit anything that far, but it's still going to be a challenge. This operation is designated Cold Bore Zero. We're dropping you onto a plateau located within range of all 3 targets. Your window of opportunity is small, so hit and move. The first target here is Antoine Zaza, Rashta's favorite warlord and quartermaster.
Okay.
The Zaza clan are arms dealers alongside other criminal enterprises. Eliminate him and the Kuamari government will struggle to equip their militias. Your second target is a disgraced SAS officer, Captain Ronald Payne. He's in charge of the Army's tactical training and currently stationed at one of their boot camps.
Captain
Your third
Ronald
target is
Hatinbot.
Colonel Fyodor Novikov, a Russian GRU agent sent here to control logistics and supply. Removing these actors from the board will seriously hamper Rashida's plans. Stay sharp. I'll be in contact when you arrive on site.
Professor Chow. ئەمە نەبێ جا جەماعەت من خۆم هیوایەتم ئەم جۆر یاریانەیە ئاوینە نمای خۆڵ و ئەوانە بێتن وەکو باتلفیلد
Roger, Raven. What's your
کەبیرکان
status?
دێتن
I've exited the Hilo, and I'm commencing recon of the plateau.
Intel indicates light foot patrols and some forward observation posts only. Proceed with caution and you should reach the sniper hides with little opposition.
Understood.
The plateau will provide you with 3 OPs which overlook each target location.
زۆر
They
جوانە
should give you a good line of
سووری
sight on any hostiles.
Sounds like a piece of cake, except for the range, and with no spotter.
I'm confident you won't miss. It's one of the reasons we picked you.
No pressure then.
Let me know when you've reached the first OP.
Roger that. Raven out.
هیچ هێرم ناوە نا ئەڵەمجی یەک مشتنم کردووە جەماعەت دواخک لەیم دێ نەکەن بەڵام واینە ئەخۆم ئەحساسەکەم ینی خۆم وا دەرەخەم کە نەم کردووە و لەگەڵ ئێوەیە ئیتین باشە ئەڵەمچی یەکەم مشتنم کرد زۆر تینم کردووانە و ئیتر لە یارەکەی ینی باسی هیچم نەکردەوە بابەتە وام زانی ئیتر هەموو شتێک ئۆتۆماتیک تەرجمەیە بێتەوە بۆتان بەڵام هیچ کامی نەکرد
Finding valuables all over the place. And there's everything. Trinkets, coins, artifacts.
I know, but if the captain finds out, we're really screwed.
Don't worry about it. You go look in that cart over there. I'll search these. I have a good feeling about them.
Okay, pistola یان کوژی
Found anything?
Still looking.
مردن فانی با قربان ایدو چونی اوکی مم هنه باید بروین زور چاکه دەما دیارەکە بەلاتانەوە چۆنە تا ئێستا دەکا من تەڕایی خۆتان بڵێ ماشێرەکە Cycle between the open and you can also one. Okay. طيب هنا بيكوجين الان با پیستول يكوجين سايلنس يكين سايلنس يعني بتشقو بيكوجين لا بر خاطري و بتشقو يكوجين
Control, this is Raven with a sit rep.
Roger, Raven. Go ahead.
I'm heading for the OP overlooking the port.
Good. We just received some fresh intel on Zaza. He may be conducting a deal today. Our sources tracked a known weapons supplier crossing the border earlier and heading on the main road to that location. If we're lucky, you'll catch them both.
Do you have anything on the supplier's ETA?
Negative. But one of the locals may have more info. Look for a hostile stationed near one of the comms relays. I'm sure they've heard the chatter.
I probably won't be asking him nicely.
How you do it is up to you.
yapıyor sniper hemen silence niye? Şaka ki no? Silencer yapıyor oynayacağım ha. Silencer yapıyor oynuyor. Ak bağ karo. Göçkan takan.
Papa 8 base. We have a hostile sniper. Awaiting orders. Clear. Copy that. Mobilizing search. Stand by. Out. HQ, we have eyes on Tango. Clear?
I'm listening to gunshots here.
Roger. Stay in com. Out. HQ, Oscar 2-1.
Ak logoyu ki scope'a kırdım. Ha? Pero no bunu. Hello. شوني باقوبان. Okay. هرم yanım kuşt. Kasayı zor katarım. Ama doğanın ama ne bu? Uy. Peki kuştum ha. Aga şimdi ne bu? Bakın ben maçta video koydum. Yak şart
Control.
bu.
I found intel on the officer. Looks like that weapon deal is imminent.
Then you'd better get set up at the OP.
تمام بقى اي كلام كمبيوترانه تواني حقيقي دقیقا جماعت دیگه کارت گیم پلی کم کنم تواني حقیقی ندارم یک سر همینو بنای روش نمید یا زکی حقیقی میبونه افهم تا بابرای فوج لوت كاين ازمان للوت تشيف كاين एक जातर हम कंप्यूटर ताकि कहीं ना ना ओके كشنية كابم هنا يا بروين Bảo cái giáo danh tôi không phải No. Hello, خواقزا چاقویەکی یەکەم بە مندیە
Control, it's Raven. I'm in position above the port.
Copy that. Plan your shots carefully. Zaza's likely to run if you miss.
So no alarms?
Well, not before Zaza is dead at least.
Okay. وانا هرمي ماركم زازا بزنین لکه زازا سنايبره
Control, I have eyes on the primary target.
Confirmed. That's Antoine Zaza.
At this distance, it's not going to be easy, even with all this fancy new gear.
Agreed, but the basics don't change. Get him stationary to improve your odds.
I'll line him up somehow.
Good luck. Send when ready.
Okay.
Raven, we're tracking a vehicle on approach. Right side.
Thanks for the heads up.
100 متر دوره
It's the same make and model we spotted earlier. It's the seller.
I'll make sure he doesn't leave.
1100 اوكي evet bosteler ki ve bosti vecdi ayna uşata takuta taçata o hana dranga be
The dealer's on site. Focus on Zaza. He'll head to the meeting point.
aça boya جا همون نفرازی لسنایپر و جدی یاری سنایپر ندارم چیه یعنی زوزو خوشه و تایپتی سنایپر یاری بکیتون با هینش بیبی با ستلت مود زوزو هل یاری هزم لیاره کانه که ستلت مودی تیه اپشنی ویتی آیا بتوانی یعنی با جود جور بیبی یا وطانه یکسر تقاب کیتو بیبی
Perfect. Now I've lost visual on both targets.
Maybe there's some way to get the hangar doors open.
I'll see what I can do.
Oh my god.
We have successfully tapped his phone. You should be able to hear them talking now.
Good to see you on time for once. Are you calling me a problematic client? No, far from that. I'm just saying you're...
Her dükkan?
My old instructor would have loved that.
2 for the price of 1.
No
Her
way.
dükkanı koştu.
2 kills, 2 payments.
Ok, cipkam. Da? Контракт комплиту. Kjo ishte nga koka një tërbush. Ja, broj. Wallahi هزقم التقوكم. از این چی ام دوانه شهو بدیم بیان کشین و اچین باشه. چند دقیقه اوكي بشوش دقيقة كيشانية اوكي ام دواني شو بزاني دوان ام دوانا ناكوشين يك دواني بكوشين واشين يك دواني تر باشا يك دواني تر اوكي والله خوش يك دواني تر يك دواني تر جماعة يك دواني تر بس ام سنايبر ايش يا الردون ازانن ايك بابا اوكي كركي زور شيتي بابا
Base, we have target position. Mortars ready. Clear.
راقة قالت
Base,
نيزن
mortar fire from Delta 1. Standing by.
مخوا منطقة انه يستا برو بالروح سنايبر شات انا الزوخر في الجماعة جديش يعني اوف احساس بحموش تقنية قاعدة في قيادة جماعة دو بارت يكي سنايبر جوست وارير كان شراكتي دو شابتر يكي هوادارم بدلتان بيه قال بدلتان بوا لايكي فيديو كانوا زور سپاس يلا تا فيديو كتير باباي تسكي تشيك تشيك خونك ولا قطع